really excited to welcome you to our brand new YouTube channel. My name's Stuart and this is S L Conversions.
We specialise in turning ordinary vehicles into extraordinary camper vans. Whether you're dreaming of a weekend getaway, full-time van life, or just a cosy adventure vehicle, we're here to make it happen. A little bit about us. We're based right here in the West Midlands and we've been converting vans into campers for 15 years. Every project we take on is tailored to fit our customers' needs, whether that's maximising space, incorporating sustainable materials, or designing a completely off-grid setup.
So I thought I'd show you some of the vans that we've been working on currently. These two are both for TC Campers. They're a rental company not far from us. I'll put a link down in the description so you can go straight to their website and have a look at them. If you've been following our Instagram or Facebook, you'd have already seen these vans. Here they are. So these are the seats for these vans, which you'll be watching us fit very shortly. They are covers, not upholstered, because they're rental vehicles. They can be replaced if ever they get damaged. Fitting the bed cushions is really a two-man job. You have one person holding the cushions in position while the other climbs underneath and puts the screws in. This isn't too hard a job with the new Rusty Lee rock and roll bed. They're a legless design, so the legs won't get in the way while you're scrawling underneath. So now we're going to fit a Rusty Lee swivel on the passenger seat. Just 4 bolts hold that on, and then another 4 bolts to hold the seat onto the swivel. And there we have it. So this van is going to be a full camper conversion, off-grid and gasless. At the moment, as you can see, it is just a line fan, lined and insulated with the bed frame already built. Some of the electrics are in and the diesel electric combi boiler is fitted. The rest of it, we're going to have a toilet and shower room here, seating area here, and the kitchen down this side here. So you can watch this as it's being built. We're going to start off putting a 300-watt solar panel up on the roof.
Tell me, baby, what you waiting for? You're my world and you and me. And if only you would let me in. Drive me crazy, you got me.
Once the brackets are fitted to the solar panel, we then lift it onto the roof of the van. When the panel's secured onto the roof, you put the cable through the gland in the roof, take the cable back out again, put the nut on, and then put the cable back through again and tighten the gland. Then, just for good measure, we do it exactly the same the other side. Well, thanks for watching our first video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, subscribe to the channel because there's going to be lots more coming. In the next video, we're going to be fitting a diesel night heater to a transporter and a reversing camera to a Mercedes Sprinter, among other things. If there's anything that you want to see on the channel, then please put it in the comments and we'll do our best to get it on. Thank you. Right, I now have to get a haircut.
Solar panels on the roof, nothing fancy, just the truth. Tiny sinking cause